Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you guys have a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, that generation Ford F-150. If you need to find where the fuse for the off-road 4x4 switch is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. There could be two fuses that you need to check. We'll explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. And number 3, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically here guys, okay, you can see this 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll be demonstrating on. Even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes that you have on your truck. One is under the hood above the radiator, but we don't need this one. We need to work on the one that's inside the cabin on the passenger side under the glove box guys. Right here by the kick panel, you remove that plastic, you open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. By zooming it in, we can clearly show you now where things are located, otherwise it's almost impossible to get the camera in there. So before we explain which fuses you need to check, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check will be in this row right here. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot guys. We need to find fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 15 amp fuse. Okay, will need to be checked, that 15 amp fuse. Then we have one more that you will need to check, and this one will be actually guys in that third row right here. If you come under that relay, will be 1, 2, that second fuse, 10 amp fuse right here will need to be checked as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.